Hey guys, Albert here from McLaren Automobiles Oakville. And this right over here is a 2024 McLaren Artura V6 plug-in hybrid in a carbon gray. This is the McLaren Artura, finished in a sophisticated stealth-like ceramic gray. It looks like a piece of modern sculpture. But don't let the subtle exterior fool you. Underneath this carbon fiber skin is a revolution in supercar engineering. Powering this beast is a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with an Axial Flux electric motor. Together, they produce a massive 671 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. Because the electric motor provides instant torque, it's a seamless, electrified surge of power that keeps pulling all the way to a top speed of 205 miles per hour. What makes the Artura truly special is the McLaren Carbon Lightweight Architecture, or MCLA. Even with the hybrid battery, McLaren has kept the weight remarkably low, around 3,300 pounds. That means the handling is still razor sharp. Typical of a car from Woking, it'll hit 0 to 100 in just 2.6 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in its class. So if you're interested in this gem, come see me at McLaren Automobiles Oakville. My name is Albert.